I love lightning. The rumble of thunder is really cool to me, and I'd love to see hail larger than pea size like we have in California. The extent of my weather experience would be standing in my front yard during a thunderstorm. I've never gone to these Midwest states, and I want to be able to conquer all 50 states before I die, and this will definitely help me get closer.
I'm fascinated with storms. I can't wait to see some supercells and fork lightning. Would be awesome. Just to see the different colors of the greens and the purples that also come associated with the storms, that would be awesome to see. You know what? This is the furthest I've ever come in the States, so any miles in any direction that I go are going to be new territory for me, so looking forward to seeing it all. It's a rush. Like Roger says, every tornado is something new, so to me to see anything, even like I say, the supercells or regular storm cells, that's a rush. It's almost like driving a sports car. You have that need for speed, while in this case you have the need for seeing a storm, and we're going to chase.
National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 170, effective until 11 p.m. Remember, a tornado watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes.
Forming. Off at 2 o'clock, tornado forming. Actually, you know what? Let's go up to town and we can go east and get real close to it. Let's do it. Let's do it. On the ground, debris cloud, debris cloud. Debris cloud, look at it. Tornado number 2. Oh, this may be a big one. There it goes, all the way down, all the way down. Let's just stop right here and take pics. Stop right here. Come on. Oh, God, look at that.
Storms are going to intensify and come off the higher terrain, and as they move into the better moisture, they're going to get quite severe. You're probably talking about storms that have the potential to produce hail the size of baseballs or softballs, really strong winds, and there's definitely a significant threat that a few of these storms could become tornadic. Our goal is to try to find where we think the best place is going to be.
It went through the complete split process now. Now this thing can go on and get mature. Anything can happen now. New warning for the storm just came out for golf balls. Better bring their 9-iron.
smooth. 40 size hail.
Nice bright rainbow out there now.
Yeah, we'll get the rainbow. Yeah.
Look at the structure! My God!
Check it out. You get that base a little lower, the level start turning a little bit more. The sky's the limit. Anything can happen.
Awesome.
Not going to mention that T word though. I can't do that.
No, we won't. Look at that. Look at that beams and everything.